Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we're going to be talking about Google's latest project, Project Magi. This project has caused quite a stir in the AI industry, and for good reason. Google has been known to be at the forefront of AI research, and with Project Magi, they've raised the bar yet again. So what is Project Magi? Well, it's essentially a new AI system that Google has been working on that can recognize and understand human hand gestures in real time. This might not sound like a big deal, but it's actually a massive breakthrough in the field of AI. You see, one of the biggest challenges that AI researchers have been facing is how to get machines to understand and interpret human movements and gestures. This is because human movements are complex and nuanced, and it's not always easy to pick up on the subtle cues that people give off. But with Project Magi, Google has managed to crack the code, so to speak. The system uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and computer vision to analyze and interpret human hand gestures in real time. This means that it can recognize and respond to a wide range of gestures, from simple hand movements to more complex gestures like finger twirls and fist pumps. So how does Project Magi actually work? Well, the system is built on top of Google's existing AI infrastructure, which includes things like TensorFlow, their open-source machine learning framework, and Google Cloud, their cloud computing platform. But what really sets Project Magi apart is the way it processes data. Instead of relying on predefined hand gesture models, the system uses a technique called self-supervised learning to learn from the data it collects. This means that it can adapt to different hand gestures and movements over time, making it more accurate and reliable as it learns. To collect data, Google used a specially designed glove that's outfitted with sensors to capture the movements of the wearer's hand. The data is then fed into the system, which uses it to train and refine its algorithms. So why is Project Magi such a big deal? Well, there are a ton of potential use cases for this technology. For example, it could be used to create more immersive virtual reality experiences, where users can interact with virtual objects using their hands. It could also be used in robotics, allowing machines to respond to human gestures and commands in a more natural and intuitive way. And in the medical field, it could be used to help people with mobility impairments control prosthetic limbs more easily. But perhaps the most exciting use case for Project Magi is in the field of human-computer interaction. Imagine being able to control your computer or phone with nothing more than your hand movements. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it more natural and intuitive. Of course, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about how it will be used. For example, there are concerns about privacy and data security, as the system collects and processes data about people's hand movements. There are also concerns about the potential for misuse. For example, could this technology be used to track people's movements without their knowledge or consent? Could it be used for surveillance purposes? One of the key features of Project Magi is its ability to recognize and respond to a wide range of hand gestures. This includes not just simple gestures like pointing and waving, but also more complex movements like finger twirls and fist pumps. This versatility is what makes Project Magi so powerful and could lead to a wide range of applications. Another important feature of Project Magi is its ability to process data in real time. This means that it can analyze and interpret hand gestures as they're happening, without any noticeable delay. This is crucial for applications like virtual reality and robotics, where even a small delay can make the experience feel unnatural. Perhaps most impressively, Project Magi is able to learn and adapt to new gestures over time. This is thanks to its use of self-supervised learning, which allows it to continually improve its accuracy and reliability as it encounters new data. This means that the system can become more accurate and effective over time, leading to even more exciting possibilities in the future. One obvious use case is in the field of virtual reality. By using hand gestures to interact with virtual environments, users can have a much more immersive and natural experience. This could be especially useful in applications like gaming, where players could use hand gestures to control their character or interact with virtual objects. Another potential application is in the field of robotics. By using hand gestures to control robots, users could have a more intuitive and natural way of interacting with these machines. This could be especially useful in settings like manufacturing, where robots are used to perform repetitive tasks. Project Magi could also be used in the field of healthcare. For example, doctors could use hand gestures to control medical devices during surgery, allowing them to operate more precisely and safely. Similarly, Physical therapists could use hand gestures to guide patients through exercises and monitor their progress. Other potential applications include smart homes, where users could use hand gestures to control appliances and devices without needing to touch them, and education, where teachers could use hand gestures to control presentations and interact with students. One potential benefit of these technologies is that they could help us solve some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. For example, AI-powered medical devices and diagnostic tools could help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, which could improve patient outcomes and save lives. Similarly, AI-powered environmental monitoring systems could help us better understand and address climate change by collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data about our planet. Another potential benefit is that AI could help us create more personalized and tailored experiences in a wide range of settings. For example, retailers could use AI-powered recommendation systems to suggest products and services that are more likely to appeal to individual customers based on their previous purchasing history and preferences. Similarly, educators could use AI-powered systems to create personalized learning experiences for students that are tailored to their individual strengths and weaknesses. However, there are also potential risks and challenges associated with these technologies. One concern is that they could reinforce existing biases and inequalities in society, particularly if they're developed and trained using biased data. For example, facial recognition systems have been shown to be less accurate for people with darker skin tones, which could lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes in settings like law enforcement. Another concern is that AI could automate jobs and tasks that were previously performed by humans, which could have significant implications for the labor market and economic inequality. While some experts argue that AI could create new jobs and opportunities, others warn that the transition could be disruptive and lead to significant job losses in certain industries. To address these challenges, it's important that we take a thoughtful and deliberate approach to the development and deployment of AI systems. This means ensuring that these technologies are developed in a way that is transparent, accountable, and equitable, and that they're used in a way that benefits society as a whole. It also means investing in education and training programs to help people develop the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven world. It's difficult to predict exactly how this technology will develop over time, but it's clear that there's a lot of potential for further innovation and progress. As researchers continue to refine and improve systems like Project Magi, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and powerful AI tools that can help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing society today. At the same time, it's important to recognize that there are also risks and challenges associated with this technology. As AI becomes more advanced and pervasive, there's a risk that it could be used to reinforce existing biases and inequalities, or to automate jobs and tasks that were previously performed by humans. To address these challenges, it's important that we take a thoughtful and deliberate approach to the development and deployment of AI systems. This means working to ensure that these technologies are developed in a way that is transparent, accountable, and equitable, and that they're used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Overall, the development of Project Magi is a major milestone in the field of AI, and it's a testament to the hard work and dedication of researchers at Google and other companies. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting breakthroughs and innovations that have the potential to transform the world around us. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, see you later.